When I tasted this soup, from that day this becomes my favorite. The method for making broccoli almond soup is neither complex nor easy, yet all the efforts are worth it as it is super tasty. Broccoli almond soup is a thick and a creamy healthy soup, also a good way to add portion to your kids' diet. You can make this tummy filling soup for your kids as an evening snack or in a dinner meal. If you are a diabetic or on weight loss or a heart patient, then you can still have the healthy almond broccoli soup. Just replace full fat milk with low fat milk and eliminate sugar too. Starting with the recipe, to make broccoli almond soup in a kadhai, add half tablespoon olive oil and add 10 to 15 cloves of garlic and one roughly chopped medium sized onion. You have to saute this till color comes nice golden brown. Then add 2 glass of hot water. Here I have used hot water because I don't want the cooking process to be slow. Then add 10 to 11 overnight soaked almonds and then add 165 grams of broccoli. I already washed it before. Don't use stems and stack of broccoli. Then add half teaspoon pink salt and half teaspoon black salt and cover with lid and boil this for 5 to 10 minutes or till broccoli becomes firm. Add half part in mixer grinder and let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes, then blend well. And don't use the stock before. After first blending, then add 1 tablespoon of stock and again blend as smooth paste. Don't throw the stock, that can be used afterwards to set the consistency of the soup. Again blend the rest broccoli in same way. Now again in kadhai add 1 cup milk and boil it for 2 to 3 minutes till creamy texture. I have made this white sauce with whole wheat. You can take 2 tablespoons of whole wheat and saute in butter till color change and then add milk slowly till it thickens. Then you can use more milk as required. Now it is a time to add broccoli paste and combine well. Now add salt if required and then add 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of roasted cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon desi khand. I've used powdered, you can use raw sugar also or brown sugar, and again give a good mix. Give one boil and then end with adding 1 tablespoon of fresh malai or fresh cream. Avoid fresh cream or malai if you are a heart patient or if you are on a weight loss journey. You can set the consistency of the soup as per your choice by adding leftover stock. If you are new to my channel, then do like, share, and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section how this recipe comes out. Stay tuned.